It's an early start this morning as we tackle this green monster. The pool hasn't been used in a long time. It's filled up with leaves and green algae, so our job is to get it drained and high pressure washed. Let's get started. The pump's been pumping out overnight and we've now drained the pool, so let's take a look. Now this sludge stinks. It's like a swamp. But we're going to shovel it all out and get high pressure washing and get this pool clean. So the rotting leaves and algae is pretty filthy. It smells quite a lot. But you can see we're starting to get all the leaves raked up and get all that sludge out. Okay, so that's one bin full. Couple more to go. Okay, round one done. All the sludge and leaves out. So this would have been a very beautiful pool back in its day. It's probably 40 or so years old. You can see that the painted surface is heavily worn. I'll do my best to get it cleaned up. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's see how good we can get this pool looking. Now for the fun part, round two, high pressure cleaning. Let's get to it. Slowly getting there. As you can see, the old surface isn't in very good condition, but at least we've been able to get all the algae and sludge off. Let's keep going. So there's actually a tiled lane line here. Now to get the last of the dirt out with the wet dry vac. Okay, all finished. All we need to do now is put the hose back in the pool. And as I said before, one last trick. We're going to apply a treatment to the walls as we're filling up the pool so we can get them a little bit cleaner, a little bit brighter. Don't forget to vacuum out the sludge from the skimmer box. All done. Time to put in the hose. Okay, ready for the big reveal? Considering the swamp this was before, that's pretty good for an old pool like this. Now wait, before you go, a few more videos here. If you like this sort of green pool recovery, check out the other videos. And if you want more helpful hints and tips, we've got plenty here on our YouTube channel for Pool Crew AU. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and share with friends. Once again, thanks for watching.